Today, my husband is installing the Brighttown 2-pack solar outdoor lights with motion sensor. We're putting this alongside one of our barns where it tends to get really dark at night. Installation is basically straightforward. Just mount the light to the wall and position the solar panel where it can get good sunlight during the day. I mean, it's just that simple. No wiring or electrical work is needed, which makes it a really quick setup. What stands out right away though is how bright these lights are once the sun goes down. These have got the LEDs and a 270-degree wide angle design. They cover a really large area. When we test them in the evening, the yard and walkways light up instantly when motion's detected, which is great for security and visibility around the barn. The light is going to have 3 adjustable heads, so you can angle them to cover different directions like a driveway, patio, barnyard, cattle pen, anything you're looking for. The remote control makes it easy to switch between the lighting modes without having to climb up and adjust the light itself. Mode 1 is going to be the motion sensor bright light, mode 2 is going to be the dim light plus a motion boost, and then mode 3 is going to be the constant light mode. We were sent these to test out, and overall this is a practical outdoor lighting option if you want bright coverage, motion detection, and solar availability.